Let's talk about the system requirements you'll need to use Adobe Illustrator CS3 on your platform of choice. Let's start off with the Macintosh, which is what I use. First of all, you're going to need a PowerPC G4 or a G5, or you could use the brand new multi-core Intel processor. You also have to have a minimum of Macintosh operating system 10.4.8. As far as RAM, or the thinking power of your computer, the minimum is 512 megabytes of RAM. Of course, more is better. So 1 gigabyte is recommended, but max it out if you possibly can, especially if you want to keep Adobe Illustrator open alongside Photoshop and other applications. As far as the hard drive space, you should have 2.5 gigabytes available on your computer. And today's systems usually have so much hard drive space that it's not even possible to imagine not having 2.5 gigabytes. The latest systems have terabytes now as far as adding more hard drives. As far as your video card, it should be 16-bit and be capable of displaying on a monitor resolution of 1024 by 768. You should have a DVD-ROM drive to install the application, and you should have QuickTime 7 or later for the multimedia features. And of course, if you're going to activate Adobe Illustrator on the internet, you should have an internet connection. And broadband, of course, is going to be required if you're going to use the Adobe stock photos. Now let's take a look at the requirements to use Adobe Illustrator on a Windows PC. You have to have the Intel Pentium 4, the Intel Centrino, the Intel Xeon, or the Intel Core Duo or compatible. You should be using Microsoft Windows XP Service Pack 2, Windows Vista Home Premium, Business, Ultimate, or Enterprise. And as far as the RAM and the hard drive space, they're going to be compatible with the Macintosh. So you should have 512 megabytes of RAM. Of course, 1 gigabyte or more is recommended. You should have 2 gigabytes available to install the application. And the same requirements as far as the video card, 16-bit with 1024 by 768 resolution. A DVD-ROM drive, of course, to install the application. QuickTime 7 to access the multimedia features. And once again, broadband is recommended. So those are the minimum requirements you're going to need to get Adobe Illustrator CS3 up and running successfully on your computer system.